No, that's not what I meant to say. Hey everybody, J Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is another collaboration. It is a declutter collaboration and it is hosted by my friend Joy from Organized with Joy. So be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist that will be linked down in the description box of all the other participants. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So each month, Joy hosts this collaboration where you can go around and find all sorts of things around your house that you're going to be decluttering for the month. And so my first item that I am decluttering is this. Yes, I saw my friend last month declutter this, what do you call this spray? This dry shampoo. It's dry all right, I'm gonna tell you that. For the most part, this spray does not work for me. I would lift up my hair and spray right where it told me to spray, but it would be white right there. And I did it a couple of times and it just didn't work. It smells good, but it really didn't work well for my hair like I wished it would. This is at the time where I had braids and I was just like in between washes. And so I tried this out and I was like, this would be a good idea to use this, but it didn't work like I thought it was going to. I was very disappointed in this. I'm going to be giving this to someone else that can use it because I cannot use it. So on the next line of the hair situation, I have more hair accessories to be giving away that I'm just not going to want to use or haven't used, and so it's just time to just let them go. So my first thing is this here, and you guys may have seen me wear this in a couple of videos. If you are new to my channel, you have not seen those videos. But if you're an OD and OG, you have seen me wearing these. Not all the time, but enough, okay? So anyway, this here, I am going to be just letting it go because like, it's just getting old and I just need to let it go. So here we go, let it go. Then we have the black one. I'm going to be letting it go as well. They're just, they're just getting old. So I need to get replacements possibly, I don't know. Then I have this head wrap here. It is very nice, but I think this material is polyester. I think for the most part. Anyway, it's a nice stretchy material. Works well around my head. It's just, I just want to let it go because it's just getting old, like the other bands that you, or bonnets that you saw me show you guys in the beginning. Another cap here that I'm going to be letting go. Same thing. It is starting to get all types of little, those little, I don't know what you call those little things, but anyway, the little lint and stuff. And I've, removed it with a lint remover before, but it just, it's just getting old, so it's going to be going as well. Okay, so then now I have these hair scarves here. I guess you could have worn them more than one way. Anyway, I'm not going to wear my scarves because with your girl getting hot flashes just don't work for me. Anyway, this is one. Then we have a blue one, 2. Green one, 3, this one, and this other one here. This is a longer band, but anyway, I'm going to let all of these go as well. They're just too old, and so some of them I don't even wear on a regular basis. Then we have some more clothes for me to declutter here. My bae is going to let this go here. This is such a nice top, but yeah, he said it's time to let it go, so he's letting this nice little top here go too. Then another jacket, this windbreaker here. I no longer really wear this windbreaker, so although it was nice back in the day, it's just not something that I reach for on a regular basis, during the spring and the summertime, so I'm letting this go too. My last item is hangers. I have so many of them that I'm not using. So earlier, I think in the springtime, I switched over my hangers to the same type of a wooden hanger, same color. So I'm going to be letting them go. And you know what? I'll put down here on the screen how many hangers I have. They're different varieties. I have the plastic one here. I think I have about 2 or 3 of these. although they are hard plastic, they're still not durable. And before you know it, they're breaking and they're just not working for me anymore. Then I have the felt hangers here. So these hangers too, although they're nice and they're really good for like maybe a top or something, not a heavy one though, you know, a small top or something like that. Anyway, they're just not as durable, and before you know it, they were breaking in half, and I was just like, although they look pretty, they are just not good for what I need to use them for. Then I have these gray and white ones. These look just like the felt hangers, but the only difference is they're plastic, and I had them in gray and white, but same thing. They're just not durable enough to hang my clothes on a lot of times, especially if you have like a winter top or something like, or a sweat top. These really did not, you know, the top part here would, the hanger part would break, and sometimes this part would break too. Not in all cases, but it depended on the top that you put on this. But in a lot of cases, it just really did not work well. So I'll be letting them go too. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to show you these fingernail polishes here that I'm going to be decluttering too. They are from the DT as the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be letting them go. This is a pretty color here, really pretty. I even have it in teal as well. But I'm not going to tell you guys how long I've had these, but just too long, okay? Just take my word for it. I need to get rid of them. As well as I think there is a fingernail hardener. This is a top coat here. And this is a rapid dry coat here. And I have a different type of fingernail polish that I bought in place of them. So I'm going to let them go. I might see if my daughter wants them. She'll probably say, no, I don't think so. But we will see, okay? So that is all that I looked around the house for this month, in the month of August, because I just needed to get rid of some things. I love these challenges that Joy is hosting because they really make me look for things that I just don't need around the house any longer. And I am a person that likes organization, and so because of that, I'm always looking for something that I just don't need or haven't had any use for. And so I really like and enjoy these type of challenges. So thank you, Joy. Thank you for hosting this. And be sure to check out her channel because she does cleaning, decluttering, and organization just like I do on my channel as well. So be sure to check out some videos on my channel. Be sure to like this video if you like what you see. Subscribe for more content. Don't forget also to check out the playlist of everybody else that's going to be participating in this month's collaboration. And I'll see you guys in the next one.